What if the way you drive your automatic every single day is quietly killing it? Not racing, not abuse. Small everyday habits that feel completely harmless but over time destroy your transmission, your engine, and your fuel system before you see the bill coming. Today we're going through 12 of them. Some will genuinely surprise you. The last ones are the most expensive. Subscribe if you're new. Let's get into it. Number 1. Shifting from reverse to drive without stopping. This happens in every car park every single day. You're backing out, you're in a rush, and before the car fully stops you slap it into drive. Inside your transmission, clutch packs and gears are designed to engage smoothly, not to fight each other mid-movement. Shifting while still rolling forces those parts to absorb shock they were never built to handle. Over time, this causes harsh shifts, hesitation, accelerated wear, and eventually complete transmission failure. 1 second of patience. That's all it takes. Always come to a full stop before shifting direction. That single habit alone can add years to your transmission's life. Number 2. Revving a cold engine. Every winter morning, someone starts their car and immediately floors it. That is one of the fastest ways to shorten an engine's life. When the engine is cold, the oil is thick and hasn't fully circulated yet. Revving hard at that moment means metal moving against metal with minimal lubrication, pistons, bearings, camshafts, all under stress with no protection. The same applies to transmission fluid, which is also thick and slow to circulate when cold. The fix is simple. Start the car, let it idle for 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently for the first few miles. Everything warms up, fluids circulate properly, and then you can use the power. Most long-term engine damage happens during cold starts with aggressive throttle. Before moving forward, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out our playlist for the latest videos. Number 3. Driving on a nearly empty tank. Most drivers don't know this. In modern cars, the fuel pump sits inside the tank and uses petrol to stay cool. Run the tank low consistently and that cooling disappears. The pump runs hotter, wears faster, and fails early. There's a second problem. When the tank is nearly empty, sediment and debris at the bottom gets stirred up and pulled straight into the fuel system. Clogged injectors, blocked fuel filter, rough idle. Fuel pump replacement runs $400 to $800. A set of damaged injectors runs over $1,000. Keep the tank above a quarter full. It's free protection for a system that's expensive to fix. Number 4. Not using the parking brake. Most automatic drivers think the parking brake is optional. It isn't. When you park without it, the entire weight of the vehicle rests on a small metal pin inside the transmission called the parking pawl. That part is roughly the size of a finger. It was never designed to hold a 2-ton car, especially on an incline. Over time, the stress cracks it or wears it out. When it fails, the car can roll and park. Replacing it often requires removing the entire transmission, a small part turning into a repair bill well over $1,000 in labor alone. The parking brake takes that load off the transmission completely. Use it every single time. Number 5. Ignoring transmission fluid condition. Manufacturers love the phrase lifetime fluid. What that actually means is the lifetime of the transmission, which you just shortened by believing it. As transmission fluid degrades, it collects metal particles, stops managing heat, and turns into an abrasive slurry that destroys components from the inside. Fluid should be bright red or light amber and smell clean. Dark, brown, or burnt fluid is your transmission asking for help. Most automatics need fluid service between 30,000 and 60,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Slipping shifts, delayed engagement, and strange smells are the warning signs. At that point, you're not maintaining the transmission anymore, you're counting down to replacing it. Number 6. Driving through deep water. It looks like just a big puddle. It can destroy a transmission in hours. Automatic transmissions have vents to release internal pressure. On most passenger cars, those vents sit low on the transmission case. Drive through deep water and they can suck water directly in. Water mixes with transmission fluid, turns it milky, and breaks down the bonding material holding the clutch packs together. Once that happens, slipping is almost guaranteed. Draining the fluid doesn't reverse the damage. One driver thought everything was fine after a water crossing, parked the car, and woke up the next morning with no reverse. The rebuild cost over $4,000. Unless you're in a proper off-road vehicle, avoid deep water completely. Number 7. Coasting in neutral. Drivers shift into neutral going downhill thinking they're saving fuel. The opposite is true. In a modern automatic, lifting off the accelerator while staying in gear triggers deceleration fuel cutoff, and the engine uses almost zero fuel. The moment you shift to neutral, the engine has to idle to keep running, which means it burns fuel the entire time. So you're using more fuel, not less. The second problem is safety. In neutral, you have no immediate power, no engine braking, and no quick response if something happens ahead. The third problem is where every shift back into drive while rolling puts shock on the drivetrain. Stay in gear and let the car work the way it was designed. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon so you can get the latest updates. Number 8. Leaving the car and drive at long stops. Sitting in the drive feels harmless. But inside the transmission, the torque converter keeps working even when the car isn't moving, creating heat as fluid shears inside the converter. Heat is the number one killer of automatic transmissions. Not mileage. Not age. Heat. Transmission fluid starts breaking down at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. By 240 degrees, it's effectively destroyed. Seals harden, clutch packs glaze, and metal parts warp. On long stops, shifting to neutral reduces load on the converter and lets fluid circulate with less stress. Lower temperatures, less wear. A small habit that protects one of the most expensive components in the car. Number 9. Using AC recirculation incorrectly. That small button with the circular arrow is one of the most misunderstood controls on any dashboard. On a hot day, leaving it off means your AC is constantly trying to cool outside air at 90 or 100 degrees instead of recirculating the already cooled air inside. This forces the compressor to work significantly harder, burns more fuel, and shortens the life of the system. Compressors can fail before 60,000 miles because of this alone. Replacement costs $800 to $1,500. But leaving recirculation on all the time in cold or humid weather traps moisture, fogs windows, and kills visibility. Hot weather uses recirculation. In cold or humid weather, switch to fresh air. That's the whole rule. Number 10. Skipping oil changes. Engine oil is the most basic form of protection your car has, and skipping changes is one of the most expensive forms of neglect. Over time, oil breaks down, gets contaminated, and loses its ability to lubricate and cool internal components. The same logic applies to transmission fluid. Engines have seized on motorways because a $50 oil change was skipped. That decision turned into a $4,000 engine replacement. Clean oil looks clean and smells normal. Dark, burnt-smelling oil is a warning sign. Check your owner's manual for the correct interval and follow it, not social media, not guesswork. Number 11. Ignoring warning lights. A warning light appears on the dashboard. Most drivers keep driving and hope it goes away. The transmission temperature warning alerts you before internal damage occurs. The oil pressure light signals lubrication failure that can destroy an engine in minutes. The battery light warns of charging issues that can leave you stranded on the motorway. These lights are not suggestions. They are early warnings designed to save you money if you act in time. According to AAA, ignoring warning lights is one of the leading causes of roadside breakdowns in the United States. A quick diagnostic scan costs almost nothing. Ignoring what it finds can cost thousands. Number 12. Warming up the car by idling. Sitting in the driveway for 10 minutes idling seems like you're being careful. In a modern car, it does almost nothing useful. Engines and transmissions warm up faster and more evenly when driven gently, not when sitting still. Long idle times waste fuel, increase carbon buildup, and barely warm the transmission fluid. Cold fluid is thick, doesn't flow properly, and causes delayed shifts and internal stress. The correct method is simple. Start the car, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently for the first few miles. No high revs, no hard acceleration, no aggressive throttle until the temperature gauge starts to move. That's it. Gentle driving warms everything correctly and protects the drivetrain at its most vulnerable moment. 12 mistakes. All of them are common. All of them are expensive when they go ignored. The fix for most of these costs nothing except knowing what to do and building the habit. Subscribe, we cover this every week. Now the comment section is yours. Which one of these were you guilty of before watching this? Drop it honestly below. And if your mechanic has warned you about something we didn't cover, tell us, let's get into it.